नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ जी एंटरटेनमेंट Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। और जी एंटरटेनमेंट Q3 का रिजल्ट डिस्क्लोज कर दिया और नेट प्रॉफिट फॉल बाय 5% YoY to 155.3 crore। ZEE Ent Q3 result. Zee Entertainment reported a 5% YoY decline in consolidated net profit for Q3, totaling 155 crore. Operational revenue rose 15% YoY to 2,149 crore, with a 103% QoQ increase in profit after tax. Advertising revenue fell 10% YoY while digital revenue grew. जी एंटरटेनमेंट Q3 रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर करें। और जी एंटरटेनमेंट एंटरप्राइज ऑन थर्सडे reported a 5% year-on-year decline in consolidated net profit for the December quarter to 155 crore. The company had posted a net profit of 164 crore in the same period last year. The profit after tax is attributed to the company's shareholder. In Q3 financial year 2026, the company operational revenues reached 2,149 crore, marking a 15% YoY increase over 1,836 crore in the equivalent period of the previous financial year. The PAT, however, surged by 103% quarter-on-quarter from 76 crore in Q2 financial year 2026. Meanwhile, the revenue grew by 9% compared to 1,969 crore in the July-September quarter of financial year 2026. For the quarter ended December, the company recorded total expenses of 2,087 crore, reflecting an 11% increase from 1,880 crore in Q2 financial year 2026 and a 20% raise compared to 1,735 crore in Q3 financial year 2025. In Q3 financial year 2026, the company reported an earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization of 241 crore, representing a 24% decline compared to the same period last year and a 64% increase from the previous quarter. The EBITDA margin rose sharply in the Q3 financial year 2026 to 16.1% in comparison to 7.4% in Q2 financial year 2026 and 10.5% in Q3 financial year 2025.